Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're welcome. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for tuning in here again on another vlog. My name is Sharon Dube, and please, if you haven't subscribed yet, please press that subscribe button and please press that notification button so that you can be notified every time I post a new vlog. So yeah, it's a vlog guys, we vlogmas. Today is the 1st of December. It's December guys, siku December siyaphuma manje sithi bye 2025, we're done, sinyile sharp. We're looking up for the new year, hoping it'll come with new opportunities, new whatever, new things, new, you know what I'm saying, so sendleleni, we're from home in Mpumalanga, we're going to Johannesburg. So we stopped by to fetch some stuffs here, and we're gonna be on our way out. It's Katimanja, it is very late, but 4:29, and this will figure very very late because Nyalo is still at Emelo. This is Emelo right now, so hey, and it's raining. It's raining cats and dogs, so guys must figure, but yeah, let me open the vlog right here right now. Happy Christmas everyone, happy first Eves, asibeni happy, sibe jolly. It's the season yokuba jolly, so let us be jolly, sibeni happy guys. Love you. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. It's a vlog.
And if you wonder if I hate you, shitty of you to make me feel just like this. What I would do to make you feel just like this. And if you wondered if I hate you, shitty of you to make me feel just like this. What I would do to make you feel just like this. What you in the rush go? What you trying to meet your maker, darling? Oh, you running out of time, huh? But time ain't even real, you really need to chill. It's all an illusion, you get it mixed up in the fusion. Whatever it is you try to see, you can sit down and just believe. But I wouldn't ever be the same, okay? But I can tell you straight, it ain't no game, baby. Oh, God bless me, God help me. I think I'm insane. God bless me, God help me. Ooh, I think I'm insane. Used to be too solid till you scramble me. Used to be your body, you meant to handle me. Used to be non-violent till you ambush me. Now I'm not your violent witch. Now I'm not your silent treatment. That mean no permission. No missionary getting boring. Can you switch positions? Hard to say your soul, you don't ever listen. No, no. I've been down, baby. Every reminiscence, every other missing you. Wish it was different than what it was. I've been down, baby. No one's seen the lion first. No one's seen no finding us. I've been down, baby. God bless you. And if you wonder if I hate you, I think I'm insane. God bless me. And if you wondered if I hate you, God help me. Ooh, pity of you to make me feel just like this. What I would do to make you feel just like this. Let me underway. I'm not for love, hold me till I scream or breathe, and wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby. My mountain until you reach my feet, baby, baby. Try to step up to my mountain. I won't let you, baby, baby. Then dip me underway. You can feel my voice, hold me till I scream or breathe.
Welcome us. My son was cutting his hair, so diala. So I'm like, I wonder what's going to be now wash up it. Anywho, this is us, guys. This is us.
I need your loving. So fresh, so clean. Love me in and out. I'm feeling lean. And I'll be down now. Anytime you call me, I'll be down. I'll be down. Because I love and I love and I love and I love you only. Because I need and I need and I need and I need you more. Yeah, you know I run and I run and I run and I run. Fly in the sky in the night. Hold me in your arms and your love and your light. I'm on your wave right now. I'm on your wave right now. Yeah. I'm on your vibe now. You got me on your side now. Yeah, I'm on your wave right now. Oh, yeah. If not you, then I don't wanna know. I don't want no story. Day and night, it's unconditional. Got me living softly. Yeah, yeah. Love me, yeah, yeah. Love me, tender. You know you love to me up like never. Anything you want and I'ma do whatever. Because I love and I love and I love and I love you only. Because I need and I need and I need and I need you more. Yeah, you know I run and I run and I run and I run. Fly in the sky at night. Hold me in your arms and your love.
Good morning, my sweet peas. How are you? Hoping you're right. So today's another day of this vlog. The last time I saw you was yesterday when we were on our way here. So if you get very late, so I couldn't continue vlogging. So much I want to do a breakfast, a bath, then go to the mall because today I was planning to I need to go find my son's Christmas clothes. That's late, the 2nd of December. Very late. And I got what was I thinking, because chances are I'm not gonna find the best things that I want, but I'm hoping for the best, you know, hoping to find things that are cute. So yeah guys, I was planning on doing a vlogmas and I didn't want to put pressure on myself, because I was thinking if I can do like at least one video per week, because I'm used to doing a video a month, like posting one video per month. So I'm thinking if I can just try doing a vlog per week, one vlog per week, so that I can participate on this vlogmas. So yeah guys, so hoping everything is okay, hoping you're jolly, hoping you're happy in every aspect of life, right? So yeah guys, this is what I'm doing now. We're gonna eat and vamsha. I wanted to show you these nails, guys. There's a stick on nails that I bought from Shein. I love them so much because you know what, they are cute. And the nail cooling is when I bought it from Shein, very sticky. You know, it lasts for so long. So yeah guys, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. We'll meet on our next vlog. I think this is gonna be the because I'm planning on doing a vlogmas, so I'm thinking this is the end of our vlog. See you on our next, you know, because I'm gonna make it short, very short, so that I can be able to do a vlogmas. So yeah guys, see you on our next one. Bye. Please don't forget to like.
What you trying to meet your maker, darling? Oh, you running out of time, huh? But time ain't even real. You really need to chill. It's all an illusion. You get mixed up in the fusion. Whatever it is you try to see, you can sit down and just believe. But I wouldn't ever be the same, okay? But I can tell you straight, it ain't no game, baby. Oh, God bless me. God help me. Oh, I think I'm insane. God bless me. God help me. Ooh.
Hey sweet peas, before I forget, I want to show you the wig that I bought from Shein. I've been meaning to do a shein haul, a try on haul, but it'll be on this vlogmas. I already shot a video for that, for the try haul thingy, but I will post that soon. So I also bought a weave there. It's an 8-inch bob straight weave. I love it so much. I mean, my reviews like Emma with a session, so I was like, you know what, let me just give it a try. I once bought a synthetic bob weave there. I loved it. Even imagine I love it so much. It's been a year and I've been abusing it so much, and it is intact. So I decided to try on in a Brazilian short weave bob, because I'm a fan of bob. I love bob so much, so I bought this weave. I'm gonna show you the weave, but I think I'm gonna do a separate video install, because I don't think it'll do much justice here. I think you're gonna have to see it, you know, but I love it so much. I'm not gonna lie. I am gonna show before me install it, then after. Don't want to before, then doesn't want to after. It before low, before. So yeah, I'm gonna show you before, then I'm gonna install it and show it to you soon. But I'm not gonna install it on my next vlog, but I am gonna install it. I'm not sure when, because I was thinking of doing my braids kuningi and but I was just letting you know ukuthi ngithenge a new wave from Shein that I love so much, of which will I buy another one? Yes, I am thinking of buying an 18-inch wave there. So yeah, let me just show it to you guys. I love it so much. Hey, let me show it.